the Gen Z total performer, Alexa Ilacad. Magandang hapon, Alexa. Ang aga ng pa-flowers.
Hello po sa inyong lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you so much. Alexa naman. Ito English din to, Alexa. Kayanin natin to. You're widely...
I'm wild?
Widely. Oo. You're widely recognized as a Gen Z total performer since this show will challenge you to both sing and impersonate. What preparations have you been doing for your face sounds familiar?
You know, I'm first of all, thank you. I really appreciate the people who think that I am a Gen Z total performer. Kasi nung pinalabas po yung trailer, I saw one comment that said na I don't deserve the title. And I didn't disagree eh. Kasi sabi ko, yes, I believe na hindi ko pa napapatunayan yung sarili ko na deserving akong matawag na total performer. Which is why I'm so excited for this show and I'm really giving it my everything. I'm really gonna give it my all. Kasi I really wanna prove then, also, more than to other people, for myself, na kaya ko to and I deserve to be called a Gen Z total performer. Kasi ito naman yung pangarap ko talaga eh. I've always wanted to be a pop star, a singer, a dancer, everything in the arts. So, yeah, so I've been training. We're so blessed that we have really good mentors here. Everyone in the show is so supportive of each and every one of us. Lahat ng request, lahat ng hingin namin, talagang tinutulungan po nila kami. And ako naman po, on the side, syempre, kanya-kanya kaming homework. So, we all do our own research, non-stop. Non-stop yung pag-aaral. And sa mga bagay po na I know hindi ako masyadong magaling, like with dancing, doon ako nakatutok.
Galing-galing mo kayo.
Oy, grabe naman. 3 points.
3 points.
Hindi,
Confidence nga daw.
yun, that's something I feel like I lack also confidence. So, yun din yung tinatry kong pag-aralan. So, I've been taking lessons. Prior to joining this, sabi ko, I'm gonna start taking lessons for ASAP din. So, yun, taking lessons, trying to improve in all aspects na talaga. So, yeah.
Uy, papasinungalingan ko yung basher na yan ha, dahil napakahusay ng unang
Oo, tsaka huwag ka
performance ni
maniwala
Alexa.
doon.
Abangan
No,
nyo
naman.
po yan.
No, I took it as constructive. Na hindi naman ako yung, "Oh, hindi ko deserve." More on constructive na, sige, papakita ko sa'yo na deserve ko to.
Yan, lagot ka
Yes.
kay Alexa Ilacad.
Sabi nga ni Ate Peachy, humanda ka.
Todo na to.
Yes! Yes!
Oo, dahil ito, doon na natin, may isa pang katanungan para sa'yo. Si John Bueno mula sa
Okay po.
humagkaw.com. Sabi niya, you are not new to singing or acting. Are you very competitive?
You know, na-realize ko sa sarili ko, I'm not really competitive with other people. Pero sa sarili ko, I'm my worst critic talaga. Like, all that matters to me is how I performed, how I was able to present myself. Lalo na in this show, kasi I really know na sobrang galing. We're with champions here. Lahat may kanya-kanyang naiaambag talaga on the table. So, yeah, yun yung... I lost my train of thought. Oh my
Are
God.
you very competitive?
I'm very competitive sa sarili ko lang. More on myself talaga.
Pero would you say na yung background mo bilang child star, nahihinder ba niya yung pag-enjoy mo dito sa show? Or mas na-enjoy mo talaga to?
This is the greatest show I've ever
Oh.
been part of.
Wow.
Every night, usually kasi lagi akong, I'm easily overwhelmed. So, nakikita ng mom ko na konting bagay na stress ako. Pero dito, nagtataka na siya. Lagi akong happy. Lagi akong pag-uwi. Ang saya-saya. So, feeling niya,
Ang dami mong
niloloko-loko ko
libreng
lang. Yun, isa pa, ang generous ng mga kasama ko. Pero yun, akala ng mom ko, niloloko ko lang to na hindi ko ginagalingan kasi ang enjoy talaga ako. Sabi ko, aside from I feel like I am improving myself, it's so fun. I feel like I get to be different people every episode. I get to channel a different voices, talents I'm learning. It's the total experience. Kaya sabi ko, I'm so happy talaga na I'm part of this show.
At yun talaga yung puso din naman ng Your Face Sounds Familiar.
Yes.
To just have fun, GV-GV lang
Correct.
talaga.
Being with these people, para akong libreng entrance sa comedy bar every episode.
Oh.
I love it so much. Teatro is, dahil live singing po kami dito walang lip sync. Ang pinakatulong na po sa amin siguro is backing vocals na konting-konti lang. So, hope and bawal din pong mag-take two or umulit. So, if ever I make a mistake, parang sa teatro, tuloy lang. Stay in character, find a way to pick yourself up. Yun po siguro yung training na talagang nakatulong sa akin for this show.